In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook view to normal. If your Outlook layout looks a little different than usual, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it only takes a few clicks to get things looking familiar again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select, so your Outlook view feels more standard and easier to use. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Once Outlook is open, look toward the navigation area and click Mail. This will take you into your main email section, which is where you'll be able to adjust the view settings that affect how your messages are displayed. After you're in the Mail section, move your attention to the top of the Outlook window and click the View tab. This tab contains the controls for changing how your inbox and reading area are arranged, so this is where you'll find the option we need. Inside the View tab, look for the Layout section. In this area, click Reading pane. When you click it, a small menu will appear with different placement options for the reading pane. The reading pane is the part of Outlook where you can preview the content of an email without opening it in a separate window. From that menu, select Show on the right. As soon as you click this option, Outlook will place the reading pane on the right-hand side of the screen. For many users, this is the default or most familiar normal view, and it can make reading through emails feel much more organized and efficient. If your screen looked unusual before, this change should immediately make the layout feel more standard. It's especially helpful if the reading pane was turned off or moved to the bottom and you want to return to a more typical setup. One small tip while you're here. If Outlook still doesn't look exactly the way you expect, stay inside the View tab and check the rest of the layout settings. Sometimes a slightly different folder pane or message preview setting can also affect the overall appearance. But for restoring the reading pane to a normal position, setting it to show on the right is the key step. That's all you need to do. Open Outlook. Go to Mail, click View, choose Reading pane from the Layout section, and then click Show on the right. After that, your Outlook view should look much more normal and easier to work with.